When it comes to increasing the property value of your home in Washington, D.C., investing in new windows is one of the most effective home improvement projects you can undertake. Windows not only play a significant role in the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also contribute to its energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Whether you are planning to sell or simply want to enhance your living experience, new windows can offer long-lasting benefits that make your home more valuable. Here's how installing new windows can increase your Washington, D.C. home's property value. Improved curb appeal. Your windows are one of the first things potential buyers notice when they look at your home, both from the outside and inside. Old, worn out, or damaged windows can detract from your home's overall aesthetic, lowering its curb appeal. On the other hand, new windows with modern designs and sleek finishes instantly enhance the exterior appearance of your property. Increased visual appeal. New windows can dramatically improve the look of your home. Whether you opt for vinyl windows, fiberglass, or wood windows, you can choose from a wide range of styles, colors, and materials that complement the architectural style of your home. This gives your property a fresh, modern look that is attractive to potential buyers. Modern window designs. Popular window styles, such as casement, picture windows, sliding windows, or bay windows, can instantly update the look of your home. This allows you to create a more contemporary and welcoming feel, making your home stand out in the Washington, D.C. real estate market. An exterior that features well-maintained, attractive windows will make your property more appealing to prospective buyers, potentially increasing its market value. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Washington, D.C. experiences a variety of weather conditions, from cold winters to hot and humid summers. Older windows often have poor insulation, causing drafts and energy loss, which can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. New windows, especially energy-efficient models with double or triple pane glass and glowy coatings, can significantly reduce energy loss by providing better insulation. Energy savings. New, energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by minimizing heat loss in the winter and blocking excess heat in the summer. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to lower energy bills. Attracting energy-conscious buyers. With today's growing focus on sustainability and energy efficiency, homebuyers are more likely to be attracted to homes with energy-efficient features like modern windows. Energy-efficient windows are a selling point for buyers looking to reduce their environmental impact and save on utility costs. By installing energy-efficient windows, you not only improve your home's performance but also its appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Enhanced security and safety. Old or poorly installed windows can compromise your home's security. Broken locks, cracked glass, and damaged frames make it easier for burglars to break in. New windows are designed with advanced security features that provide an extra layer of protection for your home. Stronger frames and glass. Modern windows are made from durable materials like fiberglass or aluminum, and many are equipped with impact-resistant glass that's much harder to break. This makes it more difficult for intruders to enter your home, providing peace of mind for you and potential buyers. Better locking mechanisms. Many new windows come with multi-point locking systems that secure the window at multiple points along the frame, making it even harder to force the window open. Security is a major consideration for homebuyers, and installing new windows with improved safety features enhances your home's appeal, especially in urban areas like Washington, D.C. Noise reduction and comfort. Washington, D.C. is a busy city with heavy traffic, construction, and other environmental noise that can be disruptive. For homeowners who live in high-traffic neighborhoods, noise pollution can significantly affect their quality of life. New windows can help reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Soundproofing. Modern windows, especially double or triple pane windows, help block out noise by absorbing and insulating sound. This is especially beneficial for homeowners living near busy streets, airports, or commercial areas in Washington, D.C. Increased comfort. With better sound insulation, new windows make your home more comfortable by reducing the intrusion of outside noise. This is a highly desirable feature for potential buyers who value a quieter and more serene living space. By installing windows that offer noise reduction, you not only improve your home's comfort but also increase its attractiveness to prospective buyers who prioritize peaceful living environments. Reduced maintenance costs. Older windows often require a lot of maintenance to keep them functioning properly. Wood windows may need frequent painting or sealing, and old windows can become hard to open or close due to wear and tear. New windows, especially those made of vinyl or fiberglass, are much more durable and low maintenance, which reduces the need for constant repairs. Durable materials. Modern window materials are resistant to rotting, fading, and warping, ensuring that your windows will remain in excellent condition with little maintenance required. Easier to clean. Many new windows come with features like tilt and sashes that make it easier to clean both sides of the glass, saving you time and effort. This low-maintenance aspect adds to the long-term value of your home, making it a more attractive option for buyers who don't want to deal with the hassle of frequent window upkeep. Increased home value. Ultimately, new windows are an investment that pays off in the long run by increasing your home's value. The combination of enhanced curb appeal, energy efficiency, improved security, and comfort adds to your property's overall desirability and marketability. According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners can expect a return on investment, ROI, of 70–80% on the cost of window replacement when selling their home. In Washington, D.C., where property values are continuously growing, investing in new windows can significantly increase your home's market value, making it more competitive in a crowded real estate market. Conclusion. New windows are one of the best investments you can make to increase your Washington, D.C. home's property value. By improving curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and comfort, you create a more attractive, functional, and valuable property that will stand out to potential buyers. Whether you plan to sell your home in the near future or simply want to enjoy the benefits of upgraded windows, the long-term advantages make window replacement a wise and rewarding decision.